Okay, and so I just created this tutorial on Chatgpt Basics, and saved it to my downloads. So here it is, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it to my YouTube channel. So I go to YouTube, and then I select, and this is in my way. Select my channel. I'm going to go to create uploads. I'm going back to this, and I'm going to drag this down into my uploads. And I'm going to say, no, it's not for kids. It's not. I mean, it's more for adults. And I'm going to copy the link, and I'm going to make it public. So now I'm going to create a here I am playing around with I guess I'm not going to do what I thought I was going to do. What I wanted to do was create a new playlist. Is there, or do you add a new playlist? See, all this stuff I'm still learning. So, but I would create a playlist. I'm going to create a playlist just for AI tutorials and how to use them, and so. But I've already imported it, so I know the video is there, right here. And I mean, it's important that you put in titles and descriptions and all that stuff. Again, I can have AI do all that for me. In fact, there's another. Well, that's what it looked like when I highlighted it. Can you add the new AI tutorial video to an AI playlist? I don't know if it'll be able to do this or not. I know some of the other tools that I use will do this. I just wanted to see what AI would do. No, it's creating a design for me for some reason. Well, that would bring me to why I should talk about more the hardcore AI. And one of the hardcore tools that I use in AI is called Helena. She's a marketing agent. I don't think it has a picture of what she looks like, but she's a redhead. And here's what she's been doing for me. Just today, so this morning early, this was a new, this is what my 10 Zume lessons are called, and they're named this way because I've been told that people searching for these types of questions or statements will draw people to my training site faster than just calling it Zoom A Lesson 1, And but it's also did all this King Agrippa stuff this morning when I wrote my article and posted it. I think right here. It doesn't have where I posted my article, because I usually send it a link, give it a link, a LinkedIn link, and then also a link to the actual video itself on Dropbox, so it can create a thumbnail from that. And it went out, and then it created a post for Twitter, and a post for Instagram, a post for my website, my YouTube, and we did a weekly search summary on what's been happening on my website, I guess. And then it also told me what it's going to be publishing tomorrow and Saturday and Sunday. It's going to do a blitz, and then I've got to handle actually giving her the LinkedIn article and then sending it to my GoDaddy subscribers and my Missio subscribers. So then it also, I told it, I said, I want you to promote all my free 10 lessons on my website. And so what it created was and basically, and it asks every time I did it, it sent something to Instagram, Twitter, WordPress, and then gave me an HTML file that looks like this, and that I could send to all my subscribers if I wanted to on GoDaddy. But just to illustrate what it did today, if I go just to my blog, then it posted this: 10 free lessons, Zoom A walkthrough. Sign up if you're interested in receiving my daily disciple making thing. And then these are previous articles that I posted. And when you click on the article, then you get the video.
Agrippa had heard the message, but Paul didn't stop at telling. King Agrippa, do you believe? Invite people to respond.
So I don't think I'm going to kill this and see if I get the article back. Well, so here's the video and here's the article for today and what it looked like. And it always gives them the capability of clicking here and signing up for one of my trainings. Right now, I need to offer 2 or 3 more trainings, because right now there's two that I'm finishing. I'm 8 lessons into one, and I'm like 3 lessons into this one. It's not really kept track of that, but but I can add Zoom A lessons, and that way anybody comes to the Zoom A website can also join my training there. So all of this, it's just amazing. I mean, and now Helena can also I don't know if it has samples. No, it created earlier, and I wish it would have the history so you could see. I mean, it created on the spot a short video because I was missing one, and I liked it well enough. I gave her permission to use it, and so she's working and doing all these things. I think she has like 100 different projects going in the background. I've got 12 free books that I give out for those that complete the Zoom A, and Helena is the one that, after writing, I've today was I completed a year's worth of daily articles, and so she's taken many of the articles and created Amazon books, and I put them on Amazon, but I've made free for those that complete the training, and I've got that. I'll just show you some samples of what she did. So if I type in free books, here's the link. So if I copy that and I go to a new browser and click it in there, then it's all automated to the website, that once you finish this and you complete the next steps portion, which is putting together a 3-month plan and also signing up for me to coach you, then I will send you this, and if you click on any of these, I think my favorite one out of this is Movement Parables of Jesus. So it looks something like that, and if you click on a page, it's there for you to read, and it's just a collection, basically, of articles that were unique fields for the apostles. When I did that study, finding out where the apostles died, I just did an article every day on a different apostle, and it just formed a little booklet. I like, of course, the 7 Sails. I just did articles on what the 7 Sails is all about. The Church Without Walls, 5 Shifts that Unlock Multiplication. So modern day Book of Acts, trying to learn from the Book of Acts. What's it going to take to finish the Great Commission? So all of these have their own cover page and table of contents. I believe the table of contents, when you get to it, I guess this one doesn't have a table of contents. Let me go back to another one, see if I know some of them have table of contents, but if you have a table of contents, then you can click on it and go directly to whatever appeals to you. But I guess some of these don't. But when courage becomes contagious, and that's what we want. Wrote that back in 2025. So there's all kinds of things that Helena has helped me to do that I never would have been able to do on my own. So Helena, it's $100 a month. It starts out with a free version. I think that goes to like a 25 version, a month version, but I use Helena so much to promote me. I mean, what she helped me do was set up every social media account properly with all the descriptions and all the titles and like they need to be, so they'll be picked up by people more readily. And then when I send an article, she just sends that article out to all these different social media carriers. And the one she does not cover is WhatsApp, so I have to do my own for that WhatsApp. I have to do my own for Missio, which is another thing that I use to promote missions. And then, but she does it for Facebook, LinkedIn, for Twitter, for Instagram. Everything that you can think of, you can assign to her, and she'll take care of it for you. Now, another thing along that lines that sort of fits into the category of Helena is Claude. I think probably I should just wait and have Claude explain Claude later. So Helena, what else can I do on these articles? Again, when you're working with Chatgpt, you can also insert an article. So like if you put, I like to put things in my downloads, and like photographs that I want to use for the upcoming article. You can create a subdirectory just for that, and then you can draw from that then articles that you want ChatGPT to insert in the newsletter. Well, here's where you would insert it. You would select this and go to wherever you put those articles, and then it would upload it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT would then include it in the newsletter in a professional looking way. So it'll insert Excel spreadsheets, and it'll insert, you can insert anything into this. A lot of times it's just drag and drop to this place where you dialogue with ChatGPT, and it's got a more advanced. So the higher you go, if you slide that slider over, then the deeper it will research different things. But also the longer it will take to get things done. And so if you want, this is set sort of for a light search of the topics, but as you can see on light model, it's still doing some really great work, design work and things like that. So I think that's going to be it for this lesson. So